In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Typeform to Mailchimp step by step. This is a great way to automatically send form responses into your email list and grow your audience faster. First, open your Typeform account and make sure your form is already created with fields like name and email address. Next, open Mailchimp in another tab and sign in to your account. Now go back to Typeform and open the form you want to connect. Click on the Connect or Integration section inside the form settings. Search for Mailchimp in the Integrations list and select it. Then click Connect to begin linking your accounts. Typeform will ask you to sign into your Mailchimp account and authorize access. Once connected, choose the Mailchimp audience or email list where you want your form responses to be added. Next, map your form fields. For example, connect the Typeform email field to the Mailchimp email field, and do the same for names or other information. After that, run a quick test submission to make sure the integration is working correctly and contacts are appearing inside your Mailchimp audience. Once everything looks good, save the integration and publish your form. Now, every time someone fills out your Typeform, their information will automatically be added to your Mailchimp email list. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Mailchimp and automated your email lead collection process. And that's how you connect Typeform to Mailchimp. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.